The salary in rupees of 10 employees in a company per day is 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 72, 75, 80, 84, 89. Okay, totally 10 people are there, 10 employees are there. Their salary per day, 10 observations they have given. What is the variance of the above data? Okay, so this question is from statistics, right? Variance, standard deviation, mean, range, all these parameters will be calculated in a statistics concept. Okay, so basically we have the standard deviation formula like this. Standard deviation is equal to under root of 1 by n sigma xi minus mu whole square, and this sigma is from I is equal to 1 to n, whatever the values they are having, 1 to capital N. So this is nothing but the standard deviation formula. Okay, but they're asking variance here in the question, right? Variance is nothing but square of the standard deviation. Okay, this is nothing but standard deviation, right? So we have to take out the square of the standard deviation here. That means how this formula will be altered. Variance is nothing but square of standard deviation means if you want to find out variance of this 10 observations, then under root you can remove. You can simply write down the symbol as sigma xi minus mu whole square divided by capital N. Okay. So here this mu is nothing but mean. Okay. And this capital N is nothing but number of observations. Number of observations. Okay. And this xi is nothing but that observation value. Xi means x1, x2, x3 like that. Okay. So this is from I is equal to 1 to capital N. Okay. This is nothing but observation value. Okay. And here solving for this variance of the particular question, now you have to solve the mu value first. Mu is nothing but mean, right? So you have to solve for the arithmetic mean first. So what is the formula for mean, guys? Mean is nothing but sum of observations by number of observations. So what are the sum of observations? So 50 plus 55 plus 60 plus 65 plus 70 plus 72 plus 75 plus 80, 84, 89. So these are nothing but all the observations. Sum of observations means by adding up we can write the sum of observations for numerator divided by 10. Okay. So what is the value here, guys? The value here is nothing but totally together how much you will be getting? 70. Okay. So mean means the value of mu is nothing but 70 for the given observation. Okay. Now let's find out the difference between the deviation with respect to mean. Okay. Each and every observation we have, right? Mean is nothing but 70. And let's try to find out what is the deviation with respect to each and every observation. Okay. Deviation with respect to each and every observation means it is nothing but 70 minus 50, which is equal to 20. Okay. Next, 70 minus 55, which is equal to 15. Next, 70 minus 60, 10. 70 minus 65, 5. 70 minus 70, 0. Okay. 70 minus 72, it is 2. 70 minus 75, it is equal to 3. I'm not writing negative values of the portion, guys. I'm just writing it positive values because any which ways we know that we are going to take the square value only, right? Actually, it is nothing but xi minus mu. I'm taking it as mu minus xi because negative value any which ways we will ignore to take out the negative value. That's the reason. 70 minus 80, it is equal to 10. 70 minus 84, it's 14. Okay. 70 minus 89, it's nothing but 19. Okay. If you want, you can write it the observation minus mu for each and every value and find out what is the deviation. But according to formula, any which ways we are going to square the values of these deviations we have. So I'm just taking it normally. Okay. So variance equal to square up all the values. It is nothing but a 20 square, 15 square, 10 square, 5 square, 0 square, 2 square, 3 square, 10 square, 14 square, 19 square. Okay. Square up all the values and then divided by 10 we have to do, right? According to the formula, no need to take out the square because variance is a square value of the standard deviation. We can take up the squares and then we can divide with respect to 10. Okay. So what is the numerator value of the squares? Let's write for each and every value. 20 square is 400, 15 square is 225, 10 square is 100, 5 square is 25 and 0, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 10 square is 100 and 14 square is 196, 19 square is 361. Okay. So altogether the values of numerator we have to add and then divide it by 10. So let's sum up the numerator values, guys. Numerator sum up, if you sum up the values, it is 1436 divided by 10. 1436 divided by 10 means it is nothing but 143.6. Okay. So what's the answer for the question? Option C is the answer for the question. Only thing is, we know the formula of standard deviation already, which is under root of 1 by n sigma I equal to 1 to n xi minus mu whole square. Okay. And yes, they're asking variance for this question. Variance is nothing but square of the standard deviation. You can remove that root and rest all solving process is same. You can find out mu sum of observations by number of observations. After that, you can find out how much each observation is having deviation from mean, and you can take out the square value and writing up the squares in the numerator position by adding all the deviations divided by number of observations 10 here. Answer for the question is 143.6, option C.